It's a good one.
Hell yeah. Pokey one, dude.
All right, Rick brought these fish skin snacks, Szechuan spicy. So
Try it.
give these a try and see how it is.
Not bad.
It's not bad at all, actually. It's got a little bit of spice at the end too, like none at first.
It's really not that fishy.
It's not that fishy.
I think it's more spicy.
Actually, I recommend these. These are good.
Yeah, these aren't that bad.
Oh yeah. I feel like I'm 100 years old. I got my walking cane. Got my fishing hat. Actually, my daughter's fishing hat, but I took it. Got my bear mace. And I got some gum. Hell yeah, brother. Just found this nice spot.
Is that just a stump or is that the fucking deer right there? Or am I tripping?
Right on the edge of the island.
Uh-huh.
I think it's just a stump.
Probably.
Yeah, it ain't moving.
Oh, dude, there's so many in that eggs.
Oh, dude, yeah, the mosquitoes are...
Did you stop? I looked down, there's like 20 taking turns trying to bite me.
Oh, yeah. Ooh, fudge. So, like, our camp spot's like the super secret spot, dude. Doesn't get nearly the amount of traffic.
Like, yeah, definitely harder to get you over there. That one is like hella easy to get you right off the trail.
It is nice.
But it's super clean. Like, you can tell. It's gonna stay that. Walk out there barefoot.
Dude, there are so many sharp rocks in there. Like, it was insane.
Until you get out there, and then it's just
the mucky muck.
Yeah.
Look how much snow's still up on top of there, dude.
Yeah.
How's our raft? Oh yeah, it's doing great. That's the raft we built and floated over to the island today on. It was awesome.
Pretty solid. gotta get it.
Rick is known as Sap Man Rick. This guy can sniff sap out like a champ. He's coming back to collect some of it. Actually, speaking of which, what happened to this tree? Like, good gosh. Like, really got a chunk taken out of it here. What the heck? You going for it?
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
I'll watch all this sap out later.
Dude, we're getting sapped out.
You're gonna take some bags.
Yeah, we're at the point now where we've been up here long enough to where we're like our entertainment. We're gonna mess with some sap. That's what we're gonna do. And you know what? It's nice. All the bugs are for the most part leaving us alone now. Temperature dropped. It's probably like what, 77 degrees?
Yeah.
High 70s right now, which is really comfy. The lake is completely still. Well, maybe not completely, but really close. And yeah, we're just enjoying ourselves. This guy's the sap harvester right here. What do you think happened to this tree, dude? Like, look, that's a hell of a scar, right?
It is. I
Like,
don't know.
what could have even done that out here?
It's a good question.
Like, yeah. And we got the dog. What you doing, girl? What you doing? What you doing? You want to play fetch? I bet you do. Good girl. Oh man, last night we're sitting eating, and dog's laying in the tent. We're over here with the lantern, and something walks like right into our camp on the edge of it in the dark, like big, like steps on a stick, and I was like, yo, and the dog freaked out and started barking, and this thing like took off down the edge of the lake. We don't know what it was. And then there was at least 2 more deer that like came right through our camp last night. It scared the shit out of us. Good times. At least we think they were deer. That's what we told ourselves. And yeah, so, but we're getting ready to pack up and head out of here. Oh gosh.
Dude, I might even just have with whatever else I'm drinking.
Dude, check out all these flowers, dude. That's pretty cool. And even the mosquitoes aren't so bad right here today.
Yeah.
Surprisingly.
I think we got the timing pretty good. The sun's like up now.
I'm going around this thing.
Oh yeah, we did go around that. The layers, dude.
Oh yeah.
I gotta wear these sweats and hoodie because of the mosquitoes. If I didn't have, it'd be a lot easier.
Oh, this tree sucks. All right, so we are hiking out from the lake. It's 10 a.m. About 80 degrees up here already at 6,000 feet. We're under a heat advisory for our area, so it'll be the triple digits today down in town. But yeah, successful trip. Did not catch any fish, though we did build a raft, made it to the island. And the raft supported about 500 pounds between me, him, and the dog, and our gear. And it was just absolutely great. The island was cool. Saw a deer out there. But yeah, we're on our way out. Got about 1.5 miles to go to the car. And really looking forward to getting a nice cold drink somewhere. So, and we did dismantle the raft. as to not leave anything out here. So left it looking better than when we showed up, as you should. All right.
Yeah, that's big right here. Like you see how wet the ground is and shit.
Oh gosh, dang. The mosquitoes are bad right here.
This is what we need for a rat, dude.
Some big ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is one of those weird areas up here where there's some giant trees. You don't see a lot of the trees up here, like lodgepole pine.